Hey, we're back in the studio from Vegas. So now we can do the tech news again without being constantly handed colorful flyers. Samsung had a big CES filled with 8K TVs, ridiculous gadgets, and even artificial humans. But now that's all over, so we're getting back to good old phone leaks. Images of the Galaxy S11 have hit the internet, except forget what I just said, because it's not the S11, it's the S20. Well, to be specific, it's the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, which I think equals something like 5,500. Never mind. Anyways, the photos show a centered hole punch front-facing camera and a rear-facing rectangular array with 4 cameras. But that's not even all the leaks we've got. The mystery about Samsung's clamshell foldable is increasing. Notorious leaker Ice Universe claims the phone may be called the Galaxy Z Flip, which makes a bit of sense given the device's similarity to older flip phones. But another official looking leak names the phone as the Galaxy Bloom. I mean, it doesn't really matter what it's called as long as dust doesn't get in the hinge and people don't try to peel the screen off. I think Samsung would call that a win. Whoa, cool, look, it's the CPU from the Xbox Series X. Phil Spencer unceremoniously tweeted the image out last week, and then Ken Heslip made a mock-up showing that the new CPU is quite a bit larger than the Xbox One X's chip, indicating that it probably puts out more heat, which might be the reason for the next-gen box's PC-like high airflow design. But in addition to opening itself up to more air, the Xbox Series X will apparently open the doors to its walled garden, because the console will not have any exclusives, at least for the first year or two. In an interview with MCV UK, head of Xbox Game Studios Matt Booty dropped his badonkadonk on the idea of gamers having to buy the new console to play certain games. The plan is to release games that work across the Xbox family of devices and PC. Wow, pretty great consumer-friendly idea there, Microsoft. What say you, Sony? Oh, they're still gonna have PS5 exclusives. I mean, that makes sense, they actually make good games, so.
What about the Big O? The Big O.
Big O, that's a whole nother thing, we won't get into that. And the good guy points that Microsoft just got have kind of been undercut by a recent report claiming that not only did Microsoft let contractors transcribe Skype calls, potentially listening to audio containing sensitive personal information, they employed contractors based in China to do so. The report said workers in Microsoft's review program could access recordings over the internet through a Chrome browser with no security measures in place to prevent state interference. Microsoft says they've since made sure the review process takes place only in secure locations, none of which are in China, which is great because I don't know what I'd do if someone other than the Canadian government heard the way I talk on Skype. I just really let loose. Now it's time for the Quick Bits, brought to you by Manscaped and the Perfect Package 2.0 kit, which includes their new Lawnmower 2.0 body trimmer. That's right, it's a waterproof, travel-friendly, USB rechargeable cordless trimmer with proprietary skin-safe technology, so it won't nick or snag your family jewels. It's 2020, and manscaping accidents are finally a thing of the past. We made it, guys! Yes! Yeah, all right! The Perfect Package kit also comes with the Crop Preserver, an anti-chafing ball deodorant and moisturizer, and the Crop Reviver ball toner and refresher. Everything comes with a money-back guarantee, and you'll get 20% off plus free shipping if you use code TECH at our link below. So go check it out right now. On to the Quick Bits. Oh, Teslas aren't already kind of obnoxious enough for you? Well, don't worry. Soon they'll talk too.
Well, don't just stand there staring, hop in.
Elon Musk tweeted a video of a Tesla playing a voice through its speakers, so I guess rich people will soon be able to yell at gas-powered peasants and pedestrians without having to do something so quaint as rolling down the window. As if. Well, here we are, the eve of the death of Windows 7. Or it would be if all of you people had upgraded already. Yep, Microsoft is ending support for Windows 7 on Tuesday, and you can still get it for free even, so you really don't have any excuse. I mean, hey, you live your life, I'm not telling you what to do, but I kind of am. On a lighter note, Asus announced the ROG Chakram, I think that's how you say that, a gaming mouse with a built-in analog stick. You can use it for macros or extra buttons, or as a literal analog stick to control a character. Is this how we'll play Xbox exclusives on PC? Only time will tell. whether Linus will keep yelling in the background of this episode. And Grand Theft Auto 4 has been pulled from the Steam store, not because of any weird exclusive agreements with Epic Games or anything, but because the game was built with games for Windows Live, which Microsoft is no longer supporting. Rockstar is looking at other options for distribution, which is great, as long as it means GWFL is left in the dirt where it belongs. I said it. And here's another thing we missed at CES because it wasn't actually there, but it should have been, because it's a laptop with 7 screens. Yeah, you heard me. The Aurora 7 from UK company Expanscape looks just stupid enough for me to want it because, I mean, just look at it. It's like its creators tried to stuff all the things they wanted into one thing and made a beautiful yet ugly and horrible mess. Kind of like Rise of Skywalker. Oof! Okay, that's it. I can't go on or I'll get angry again. Come back on Wednesday for more tech news. It'll have more like a Mandalorian kind of vibe.